Hi, Sean here. I'm going to show you how to use the Spectral Manipulator's convolution tool for IR spectra. I've loaded in a carbon monoxide reference at half wave number. You can do that either clicking this load icon here or by dragging and dropping them in from File Explorer. The name of the file that's highlighted will be the one you're currently working on in this left pane. We'll go over here to our right pane, manipulations, convolution. Here are our options. We're going to do a sync convolution because we're dealing with IR spectra. We're going to set it based upon a desired resolution of 1. We're going to choose our proper APOD. If you're using MKS spectra, you're going to want to use Norton-Beer medium. And then we're going to go ahead and set this last option over to here. I've noticed recently there is a bug in this that will be fixed in the next release. All this has to do with the number of data points that will be in the final object. And for the sake of NuWave, it will not matter because all your references get interpolated to the data spacing of the sample once during collection. So it won't affect anything at all. We'll go here, we can hit try. I don't know if you can see, but there's a gray traced. It's kind of a preview of what to expect. If we like what we see, our options are all good, which they are. We can either hit apply to current, which will override the current, or what I like to do is say clone and apply to make a new object. And there we can see then the purple color here would be our new one wave number carbon monoxide reference, convolved, and then we can go ahead and hit this save icon to save that out and use it for something to come next. Thanks, I hope that made sense.